Violent thunderstorms, packing destructive winds of more than 70 miles per hour, tore across the Chicago metropolitan area on June 10, leaving a trail of damage, widespread power outages, and dramatic scenes that residents described as some of the fiercest weather of the season.
It does not really move, and now it's moving a lot.
The powerful storm system swept through northeastern Illinois during the late afternoon and evening hours, bringing torrential rain, dangerous lightning, and wind gusts strong enough to uproot mature trees, rip apart building roofs, and send debris flying through densely populated neighborhoods. Videos recorded across Chicago captured the intensity of the outbreak as dark storm clouds rolled into the downtown skyline, rapidly transforming daylight into near nighttime conditions. Residents watched as sheets of rain and powerful gusts blasted streets, bridges, and high-rise buildings throughout the city. One of the most striking incidents occurred in Chicago's Gold Coast neighborhood, where footage from a high-rise apartment showed a large piece of debris being ripped from a building and hurled through the air by the extreme winds. In another dramatic scene, pool chairs were lifted from a rooftop deck and blown into the streets below, highlighting the strength of the storm's gusts.
Documentation.
Across several neighborhoods, fallen trees crushed sidewalks, damaged vehicles, and blocked roadways. At 34th Street and Paulina, a massive tree was reportedly ripped entirely from the ground, tearing up large sections of pavement and leaving behind a crater-like pit that stunned residents. Similar damage was reported throughout the city and surrounding suburbs.
Right around the corner from where we were.
Emergency crews responded to numerous storm-related incidents as the severe weather moved eastward. In suburban communities, structural damage was also reported. Part of the roof of an apartment building in Chicago's southwest suburbs was blown away, forcing residents to evacuate as debris scattered across a wide area.
My goodness!
The National Weather Service issued severe thunderstorm watches, covering virtually the entire Chicago region as multiple lines of storms advanced through Illinois. Tornado warnings were briefly issued for portions of Kendall and Will counties as meteorologists monitored rotating storm cells embedded within the broader system. Residents in several communities reported seeing funnel clouds and possible brief tornadoes. In nearby Merrillville, Indiana, social media videos appeared to show a tornado moving through residential areas, adding to concerns about the storm's overall severity. Reports of localized tornado activity also surfaced from parts of the Chicago area, though assessments of storm damage were continuing. The severe weather outbreak extended beyond Illinois. Storm chasers in Kansas tracked rapidly intensifying supercells near Salina and Council Grove as tornado watches were issued across parts of the state. The broader weather pattern underscored the volatile atmospheric conditions affecting large portions of the U.S. Midwest. Thousands of customers lost electricity as utility crews worked to restore service amid ongoing cleanup operations. Forecasters warned that additional rounds of thunderstorms remained possible and urged residents to remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
And that was like, I knew it was gonna rain, but I'm not gonna tell you, oh, let's go one more block. It was summer.
As dawn broke over Chicago, crews were clearing debris, repairing damaged infrastructure, and assessing the full scale of destruction. While the region avoided a catastrophic disaster, the storms served as a powerful reminder of how quickly severe weather can transform one of America's largest metropolitan areas into a landscape of fallen trees, damaged buildings, and hazardous conditions. Authorities continue to evaluate damage reports, while meteorologists analyze whether some of the hardest-hit locations experienced tornado-strength winds during the height of the outbreak.